Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create AWS Linux machine, how to create Chef Cookbook, how to create cookbook recipe and how to use cookbook recipe. Okay, so first of all I am creating a AWS Linux machine on AWS server, so you have to follow these steps. I have already account on AWS, so I'm launching a machine on AWS. You can select anyone, click on next, click on next. Here is the storage options, it's 8 GB. Click on next, add any tag, you can give it any name, key and value pair. I have already two keys. I'm selecting Chef Workstation, give it any name. I'm giving cookbook, click on next. Add some rules here for HTTP and HTTPS. You can skip these steps, but I'm filling these points. Change to my IP. Click on review and launch. Create new key pair here. You can choose existing one if you worked on it. Give any name and download key pair. Now launch the instance. Click on view instances. Here machine will be show you. Yeah, first one. Give it any name. I'm giving cookbook. Save it. It's running now. You can connect. Click on connect button. Copy this code and go to your downloads folder where you stored PEM file. Yes. Update Linux packages. Login with sudo user. Now update Linux packages. It will take some time. You can skip this step if you have already updated packages in your Linux machine. Now I am downloading Chef client from chef.sh website. Click on download workstation. I have launched Linux machine, so I'm choosing here Linux operating system. I'm choosing version. You can choose anyone. I choose 20.8.111. Now you have to copy this URL and go to your terminal. Here packages are already updated. Now you have to download Chef client. It's downloaded. Now you have to install this package in your Linux machine. It's Chef workstation. Enter. Yes. It's installing. It will take some time. After that we will also install tree package to check the cookbook and its recipe. Now check chef version. Yeah, it's installed. You can see here. Create cookbook directory here. The name will be cookbooks. You can't do any name. You have to name with cookbooks of the directory. Now go to cookbook directory. Inside the cookbook directory you have to create a recipe. So you have to generate a cookbook here. Actually cookbooks folder contains multiple cookbook files. So we have generated here first cookbook, and in this folder we will generate a recipe. Yeah, recipe has been generated in first cookbook. Here you can see default.rb. It's your default recipe file, and we have to create a sample recipe file inside the recipes folder. Now go to first cookbook folder, create a recipe here, chef, using chef generate command. Sorry, recipe has been generated. Now you can check with using tree. You can see first-recipe.rb file has been created. Now go back to your cookbooks. Now open the file first-recipe.rb using vi editor. It's open. Edit this file. We will create a file here. So my file name is myfirstfile. Do basically use for creating the file. Basically it is a action, and my content will be, this is my first file created by cookbook. Action will be create. So exit from the file now. We can also check the syntax of the file using this command chef execute. First cookbook recipes first-recipe.rb. Click enter. Syntax OK, means your file have no error. Now you can run this file using chef client command. Chef client -zr recipe square bracket first cookbook scope resolution first recipe. Enter. Now you can see your file has been created. In green lines you can see your file has been created and content also updated in your file. So we are checking now file is created or not. Yeah, file is created. Now we have to check the content of this file. Yeah, here is content. This is my first file created by Cookbook. So guys, you have learned how to create cookbook and its recipe. Thank you so much to watch this video. Have a nice day.